everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So let's start with this lovely Kabuli chana light salad. Now what I've done is I've taken 1 cup of this Kabuli chana or chickpea. I've washed it thoroughly and I'm going to soak it in about 2.5 cups of water for at least 7 to 8 hours. Then I'm going to pressure cook it for 1 whistle on high and simmer it for 10 minutes. Let the pressure cooker completely cool and then your Kabuli chana will be like this. It's not very mushy, but it can be easily it's very soft and you can eat it. So now I've just chopped 1 medium-sized onion very fine. I'm going to use the juice of half a lime. So first I'm going to add this finely chopped onion to the Kabuli chana. You can add as much onion or as little as you like. Then this is some freshly chopped coriander or kothimbir. I'm going to give this a nice mix. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste, some chaat masala. Again, give it a good mix. Next, I'm going to just squeeze the juice of half a lime or lemon. And this is an easy trick to, just keep a spoon and squeeze the lemon into the spoon. So if you have any lemon seeds or pips coming out, you can just pick them up and you don't have to, look out for them in the salad. So this is an easy trick. Or you can squeeze the lemon on a lemon squeezer and then pour the juice into this. Now you're going to mix everything well together. And that's it, friends. It's as simple as that. And it's really so light and so delicious, and it's just perfect for this summer. Now the next recipe I'm going to be showing you is this beautiful mango panna. This also is a lovely summer drink. So what I've done is I've just taken 2 raw mangoes or kairis. I put them in a small dish like this with a little bit of water. Put them in my pressure pan with some water. And I'm going to cook it just for 1 whistle on high. And then simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then put the cooker off completely and let the the cooker cool on its own. And then I'm just going to strain out all the water. We're not going to use that water, but we're going to strain out all of this. And then I'm going to just take off all the pulp of the raw mango. I'm going to be adding sugar as per taste. So I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, a little bit of saffron syrup. If you don't have this ready-made kesar syrup or saffron syrup, you can just add in some few strands of saffron. This just, elevates the color of this dish and you get this beautiful, rich color. So this is my pulp and with the sugar ready. Now I'm just going to pour some chilled water into it. And then we're just going to give it a good mix. So now this is the concentrated version. So whenever you want to have this, you just pour a little bit of this concentrate into a glass and then you pour some chilled water as well as some ice cubes. And friends, believe me, it's such a beautiful drink. It's so simple. So this is the concentrated version. And because the pulp is so nice and thick, you just have to put a little bit of water so that you get this nice consistency. Super simple, isn't it? So I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. So both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.